Ebushama mema akwaba enfa umbra Ghana Nsem TV GH mestra or like a comment subscribe then no notification so that every day I post a video biano or some kabe me damose. Ebushama obi bia or pese oye you abrabo mu biano or on one career path. So at every point in time you have decisions that you make, and those decisions it must align with a year we believe Jidia war. Any baby up say ukona ukotina echina. Na papa ba ku ogana journalism sphere nema. Ebia abedwin say ebia ye pro MPP empenasem. Ba yesa. Ade ba ku ye na ye wo MPP money say we hate hypocrisy. Say obi nyanchum yes na I can watch him. Yena ye wo MPP muri empekra nti say if you are somebody and now you say or now you say ade ba kwa ye chiri cry enti na mama bia friend Rosemond obi ye penny dimpo eti because onu kwa de onye just hypocrite ye o ya trofo nso o twa ntro enye easy na Captain Smart kojo smart a start campaign bia o ye wo Gomoa West na o start before we start campaign mama be ka kire mu say ade we nyina no settings adentia because obi beka first pastor bi beka say prophetically no we who say Captain Smart had on the next MP ewo Gomoa West osofo bi beka the moment sa pastor beka say na mika say Debbie Ghana for this prophecy let us not take it wholesale esan say already Captain Smart osati ye ade no or use some media general platform and the idea to say okoye MP. Now maybe some will say, at what point in time and a Captain Smart and wants to say about my MP? When the entire Esan say and Kwame A plus. Uswa abaye MP. Ewo around the enclave enti. Onya Captain Smart unso say or person abaye MP. Look, Parliament honumuno a serious business nekosu wo. Parliament hono no enye bia obesori anopa na okotena na utiem ti say obia without any research. Ghana for say ye koso some mistake I sending crofo a omuntimi nye research. Omuntimi contribute to debate. They didn't kwan on betimi aye to a parliament. A day will come we have ourselves to be blamed though. Because idea biara Parliament ejitum biano affect ye nyina whether we MPP CPP PMP PNC ni gum new we cheddar new affect ye nyina and we must be careful the kind of people yes sumo so munko parliament and yes me campaign the check Captain Smart but me ade ba kwa me penny say what na say all these years you be making money why Juma or Angel after we Juma or Onya for several years now. How you more Onya? We've not seen you going to do free driver license. You also call you free health insurance. When you want to become MPD, after you say you are doing all those things, it should tell you say this somebody that will not have the people at heart. Yet to Abamana. That any Ukrainian people will not tell you, but I will tell you. Yeah. You should not become a philanthropist because you want to become MP. There be. We are sape. A red line. A red flag straight up. Yeah. All these years. You concentrated on insulting Akufo-Addo, insulting MPP, making MPP look bad. No problem. But beyond that, Adoye send away. We want to know. Because Adoya, you go with camera. You let the media report it because you have an agenda. Now Gomoa West, MPP for more Gomoa West, muntemi. MPP for more Gomoa West, muntemi. Do your things well. Do your things properly. So that Gomoa West will not fall to Captain Smart. Imagine Gomoa West for MP and why I now say Captain Smart. Captain Debe Smart. Captain Debe Smart. Please, Gomoa for we are Munyama. A word to the wise is always enough.
For this I was war. Mo how ne saying so ni free ba. Can net saying say wall we no be better and agree. Ya the report to ni man.
Yeah.
Record no ho HSM MPP ba sanitation adwuma ye ni yi flood we bi ensi ye penso pen.
Debbie.
E bi ensi da.
Debbie.
Clean ye adwuma no. Would you try and throw to sanitation minister no so? And $1 million. And $1 million is coming.
Oh, just for.
damn.
I muti. Na wa kwejina obonchai. Ye de ade we ya say aye we say.
Me the Taliban making examination now we sank phone the job. Wo just for anka we obi a. Anka the end is for the aye we sanka wo twon ho. Hwe sika wo de mo de year campaign. Because now we join say ban best sampa. Into omo ba ombe keep your contract. Hwe de omo de year. And omo year yi ma say we ko gina o ma. Just say wo so ka ho. Just say you are part of it. Charlie, fantastic man. Charlie, you submission. Na me who dia me yam.
Omo ye hu nya Ghana fo hu. Report na ba. Aye report na da ho clear. Jo mama we approve rate da form team. Oni pa mo de na ba no. Report we san affecting the candidature. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia we are singing aginatum. Always before discussion the policies and programs or the two we are singing at here. Emra kwanso ne ye adwuma obebi radio nasem ne yeka. He's always before discussion. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia o me president dan dan na edi no nkomo.
Take your
Good board ni en sanu adwuma. Record the Bank of Ghana we no a. Omutimi make sure say Bank of Ghana nya headquarters are e bi new year say more than Manhattan. Ye dey Accra. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia sanu adwuma no oni adu dango agufuado. Felix, me turn street light you. Na street light in the Philips dear woman and the board. In the board, they are quite 1,500 per one. Street light. Regular ones and 500 cities. And Suzuba Timide 13 billion. Or the 7.6 billion. FX street light 13. Kumasi. 7.6 billion. Or the auto street light back 13. That's a street light back here by 600 million.
Hey!
Street light back 13. Oh, Kumasi. Or fix it. Or the 7.6 billion. La ilaha illallah. Guys, go be a Ghana. Ah, now on what one who said Basintale 90 billion. Could you go Susawa? Wajimi. Oh, Basintale 80 central ticket to America for her ball. Na school for you for no go about here pay juma. Koya so many HIV to be uncle fee. Nkola ndi o kuma real was uncle got na fee. Na Basintale si America her ball. Wafa Ghana skadi akotrene 9. Oba no yalanta eno gira ho na street o de Ghana ska ne ko esa operation no eno mu no mbeka che so o yare na ni sisi no o kotrene 9 no ene wa ya brantie you fe be pa adwuma mo ka jonso mo kofi o menya ace wanya sika fa plane akotrene America ehwebo mfa so bi amaso youth employment agency ni so MPP for ne create here bo ba mo create adwuma ma Ghana ni bia National Health Insurance Scheme MPP for ne create here and a create adwuma Ghana ha National Identification Authority MPP for ne edibaye and a create adwuma Ghana for mobile mun create adwuma bia Ghana kromu a mobile nkwala be 50,000 ya Ghana adwuma be saki o munyina afiri mu mi wa no ma promise Ghana for say agenda mo de 133 ba mobile mo be pamu Ghana for nkwala nyina ena mutimi nya kukuduro ekura timi ko eko busku dan gu fam samba besi market anko for beton tomatoes ne kako school danya ye pri bi kan ho Ghana ye nya bi ba ku mienu na tua ho no mutimi nya kokuduro esa se muri ne ntwie 32 a chef maka Ghana fo anu atumti mutimi nya kokuduro ko bu school dan gu samba besi market na nya NDC ne be yesa de ya asemo hifa ne kanu efisi o me be wiase Ghana ni kira me say aban bia be wiase idi ami moti say idi ami akoko bu school dan gu fo mo adana mi hu bi da say yakob bu school dan egu say ba be si market market en so be na ebenya o sa market so ene wona o be gu market no o kwa ide be che free ana say obetua school for nya baby nko school mabubu dan no ama ese mu dem kola nya kogu man twia bi mu se omko hye ho a cholera nso aba nsu ato magana nyina bini afa nkofo fie a cholera aba nkola nso de duane kura to fam obefa pepa ho adi ma crowding kola no akogu faako no hit mu be kun kola no ame mu fu kankan Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ma operation anti na nso si form say ukwa kwatiti gotam uko shoe na hyewo shoe and the show one thing boost na mu ye de no ukwa want me anhye bi anu makofo so ma me aberewa so kwatiti gotam se de mu force atamezi aso nhwihwiri sa na dani de nyina mo ye mo vice no na ya na me different for me nuan me dim ho yawo cause me takra de born boy odo me fanti look mutimi trust to abama A+ co parliament afere muku obi sa bibi wona ho awase abeti dim atamase aka ho owi anu obetra social media nso watwa ntro so makosa de obi wa broche me de bremo Gomoa obi de how city of Oboa kwase we no dada mo se Captain Smart aboa no so unity so osamba mfantifo ni mo Gomoa wa be prep MP e obra youth eye adwuma Ghana kromo a eji abrofo ni sika kakrakra e ma system ni rane no Captain Smart than FBI agent underground and was snitchy my FBI and was shed that abutrika be snitchy America for Abefano. It you from more central region. Mamunya Majan said was Siano Oban when you pay me that be bremu. He's a snitch. Or no chuku my FBI for me make catch him Captain Smart Nejuma or Ghana Krumano. It you from my say Captain Smart or you be bang.
Yes, sir. On the boy, you call your interview, keke. She say the boy, even. A trap, Obianka, assemble that court today. Edenanka, Obabe, ya no, sir. They say, you're my
agent. And you for the moon who's NDC for no money, papa. MPP also no near the movement in Abania Jamo Mamokomonim. Because Donald Trump on Iran for Toko and Anu Yai. Donald Trump to me, Jinabon, take a we are singing. I say, we've stolen millions and millions of barrels of oil. We've stolen millions and millions from those guys. We've stolen millions and millions. Those guys they did not see. We've stolen. What me on boldly in camera. What me actually we are seeing as I'm pump could real oil. Na ye say we obisika o. I'm on no ya boni ben. Na enkran the omadwi BTG kakraba system na control koso. Na system no mo eda. Captain Smart waje pa remfo. E FBI for na wuchuku. Na wuchuku na wuchuku. Ana say we see boys anu aduane kwan. Journalist kankan. No ni man so abeta TV no so na wotia team na we dede. Untimi ka bro for 1 minute kran wie da. Wo so ye scholar. O fui. Eduma fo kankan na your TV station when I won cancer papa bench Ghana for no. Se Ghana for na bio you for ye ka kire mo. MPP moto ye development in freedom. Ye na ye do epona no na kwache se de yinam. Ye wi ana ye se wankasa jo. Unye scan bia fa bi sida na toka. Enjoy life. Ye no. New Patriotic Party. Development in freedom. Hey aha bia ni obi ahoto obi atimi kana dwen. Police assembly ye mechi obia your business in freedom. With your taxes now ko MPP no. Ye buy em ranting nyina ye bie mu obi ahu bebi obia betimi ni dwetire kakrafa ana obo adwuma. And this if one chere kwan ometimi Ghana for you fanya adwuma Ghana kromo mo chere. Mo chere one policy. Water guard mayo nyina ko nwura mu Ghana say for na kwanyem mayo nyina ma mo water guard amuti nyina gu. Adwuma be na mo buy mo dia Ghana for. Mo be dada Ghana for 133. Ana mo nam ye si market na be si 24-hour market. Hen fa na wo hu se be fa bi 24-hour market. Mo jimi ana 24-hour market ase chere sen. Education mobile mo say no. Sinya kufado na de gab no or why de gab no from baby or far no to baby or jaya. Aka mobile education we dey to from team. But mobile mo infrastructure be bia kufado de gu any people de gu ma education sector no. Mobile mo se money so ebiru ma muntimi kon. O say why dey? I na do so akana no atum. Because what tempted people ni megu ase. Infrastructure na di jana na so oba na yamase no. Ato force yamase no. Because me release this kabia because some people for adwuma ni nyina wie. And this don't person this can be man no. Is all this can man no de kwakoyo. Enum no de kwakodi. And MPP dey party papa say party bia Ghana kromo a. And Ghana for Muslim youth na mo wase on Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia champion super. Wa bene akwadare mu AI na aba no. E da na buso. Is an international guy on me digital person no. E wi ase ye wuram bibia sesa. Neuralink na ba. E kire se bibia edu no. Ye do digital world no. Uchu muta o hyase. Enti MP leader o tisa ne o mananim. O ti ase. anya politician we twam ni kokoo sem na ni ho asesa enti monti ase Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ono e champion guy no ba be champion no system no couple ne yire so every woman Samira Bawumia champion first class lady awoba wa pin recorded the whole game pa no first class nobody no size best student overall best student Samira Bawumia a odi Ghana krama na obetime bu Ghana chen Dr. Mahama ebu Ghana yi odi ma Samira kwa betime ebu a chen no because e clear on your first lady I will be na chiro on paper man o game pa wo ono na chiro na de ye first lady anko for chiro ma won I always script krama on kra no want to papa so won nyina fro home first lady so Ghana kuro mu a etimrantia ne tia se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia champion no odi size obi antia